Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, everybody over at Electric. My name is Josh. Spoke with Candace the other day. Got this email from you guys. I want to get this custom video made and sent over to you guys. What we're going to be doing in this video is going over a few things and how you guys can start getting more traffic to your guys' website and turning that traffic into actual paying customers. So, first things first, we have your guys' website up, right? Great looking website. I love the fact that you've got the very dramatic photo with the team in the background. It's super awesome. I like that a lot. You've got all your tabs, your services tabs. One thing you guys don't have a ton of is content. We want to have content all over our website, right? Service pages, home pages, everything. We want our content and our home pages to be anywhere between 1,000 and 1,500 words, and all of our service pages between 750 to 1,000 words as well, depending on how hyper intensive it is for that niche, right? So electric is a pretty high-end competition niche, so maybe we want to have some more content. With that being said, we don't want just any kinds of content. We want good quality keyword-rich content. One way we can figure that out is going in Ahrefs. Ahrefs is it's a free, or I shouldn't say this is not a free, this is a paid tool that we like to use, but there is free softwares out there, right? We're going to compare you guys here to Mr. Electric in just a second, but I want to show you what keywords are, right? Like I said, I want to show you what keywords are. Sorry, I was having a little bit of computer difficulties there, so I just paused the video. We're going to get back into this here. But with this paid tool we like to use called Ahrefs, we can kind of figure out what you guys have for backlinks, what you guys have for referring domains, and what kind of keywords you guys are currently targeting. And what we want to do with all three of these is actually compare and contrast to your top competitors, like Mr. Electric that we just had on there. We'll go into them more in a second, but I want to show you guys where your analytics kind of sit as of right now. Roughly, you're getting 142 traffic to your site, but back into keywords, right? So this shows what keywords you guys are targeting. A lot of it's Ted Electric. That's your guys' name. People know you by your name. With that being said, I assume that you guys probably run traditional marketing, such as billboards, commercials, whatever it may be, right? They find you guys based off your name. But unfortunately, they're not actually finding you off of your services, like this one right here, electrician, Cedar Falls, Iowa. That's a good one. They're finding you on that, right? You've got Waterloo Electric. Probably not finding you for it. You guys also don't have a lot of high search volume kind of keywords in your guys' website. And the way we can do that, like I said, is comparing them to your competition. So we also have the Google My Business section. While we're going over here real quick, I want to show you what's importance of this, right? We want to be in the top 3 positions, right? People don't want to look far for services. They're going to see these right here. They're going to see 400 some odd, 600 some odd reviews. They're going to go, hey, this is a trustworthy business. We want to use them, right? So what we'll do is we'll take Mr. Electric of Central Iowa, and we're going to compare you guys to them. It's the same thing as we did for you guys. We're going to go into their website, take their URL, we're going to put it into Ahrefs. We'll be able to compare and contrast all of the backlinks, all of the keywords, and figure out what's working for them and how you guys need to implement this into your website. So, like I said, copy, paste. I do not have the fastest computer today. Alrighty, once again, we're back at it here. So we were talking about keywords, right? We want to be targeting high volume search keywords like this. Mr. Electric is using lamp repair near me right now. That is getting 18,000 search volume every single month. Those are the kinds of keywords you want to be targeting. 240 volt outlet. You guys probably install them, right? 6,900 searches. Just those two words combined gets you an additional 25,000 search volume every single month. That means 25,000 potential customers that could be going to your guys' website, and you are missing out on them right now because you don't have it. So, with that being said, that's keywords, right? Same thing we want to do for backlinks. We can go into their backlinks, figure out what backlinks they have. Types of backlinks we have are do follow, no follow, citations, link juice, and guest posts, right? Guest posts are going to be our number one. They're a little bit expensive to get, but they're the most powerful. Do follow sites are powerful. No follow sites are not. Citations are great. We want to have thousands of citations, right? Something like a yellow pages or a white pages or let's see if we can find one for you guys. Family Handyman, right? This is actually a guest post. This is a website you guys there, Mr. Electric is guest post on that site. So we want to be able to go in and figure out what kind of citations and backlinks that these guys have, and we want to implement them into your website as well. All of that being combined, we'll start to get a larger search volume of customers coming to your guys' website every single month and turning those people into more potential paying customers. So with that being said, to Candace and everybody over at TED Electric, my name is Josh. I hope this video helps you guys out in any way possible. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach back out to me. Greatly appreciated. Thank you guys. Have a great day.